Guys, what's up? How everyone doing? Everybody alright? Whichever part in the world you're at, Jamaica, abroad, wherever. Hope y'all guys are okay. I sound tired, maybe because I'm tired. Just finished do some washing, or in other part of the world, we don't call it laundry. We call it washing in Jamaica. You know. Yeah, I just finished do some washing, so I'm about to hang the clothes them on the line right about now. So yeah, this is how we do it in Jamaica. Whether we wash with machine or we normally we hang the clothes them on the line to make them dry. Okay, we don't normally like put them in a washer. Put them in a dryer after we finish wash. We normally always have a line, either the front, the back, or the side of the yard, and we just hang them on the line for them to dry by the sun and the breeze naturally. So that's what I'm about to do now, hang mine them on the line. Alright? Yeah, that's the back of my yard. Yeah, orchid tree, coconut jelly, another orchid tree where I get all my lovely orchids them from, mango tree them that is side of the yard. Yeah, another tall jelly tree up there, so yeah, love it. All nature and good. Oh, this is a julep tree, but it's the neighbors, but it hang over where we normally get mango from. So about to hang my clothes, them see my line there. Yeah, about to hang my clothes them up. Clothes. Yeah. So yes, the sun is very hot. So in no time then will dry. You know? That's the beauty about Jamaica. You know, not have to worry about putting them in a dryer and running up your light bill. You know, you get the natural sun heat for just dry them for you after you finish wash. So that's Jamaica life, Caribbean life, I guess. I guess that's how them do it in the Caribbean as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, love the trees and nature and all of that. All of them good things there. So we have to be thankful. So yeah guys, finish with the washing stuff. So now I gotta look something for eat. Where the place look those looks like that. Yeah, I gotta look something for eat. No, I gotta work out first. I have a workout couple days now, so I gotta work out first and then afterwards look something for eat after I take a shower. So check in back with you guys when I check in back, alright? Yes guys, actually exercise bathe, wash my hair, and I'm just putting in some big twists in my hair to let it dry like that. This is what I do when I don't want to like blow dry my hair. I just twist it and let it dry naturally. So after I finish this now, I'm going to go in the kitchen, go get something to eat. Probably just make one shake, make some mango juice, put in the fridge, and don't even know what I'm gonna look out for to eat. Probably just drink the shake until I decide. So yes guys, this is just part of my morning and my day routine when I'm not working. I attend to my housework and then I attend to myself, the little stuff. So just do it like this, leave it to dry, be back. So guys, I'm in the kitchen now. I'm gonna make some shake. So what I actually do, I use oats. Yeah, I'm gonna use some flaxseed. This amount I normally use. And almond lascon. Then I'm gonna peel this banana, put it in there. So guys, peel the banana, I'm gonna slice it up. Just slice it up. Yeah. Put it in there. Now I'm gonna take a scoop of ice cream from out of the fridge and put it in it before I blend it and a little water. Okay. Yes guys, I put like 3 scoop. I put 3 cube ice inside there as well. So yeah. And the cover. And I like shake it down a little bit. Yeah. So I'm gonna line this. Oh my gosh, I'm so slippery. Yes guys, so my shake is all done and ready. Really good. Trust me, you guys should try this. It's really good. Nice. Like I can't stop now. But I have to take a break from it because actually I go blend up some mango juice. Ooh, look at this. Gosh guys, if you could smell it, it smells so good. And blend this big juicy beefy mango and this nice juicy mango together with some ginger and sweeten it with a passion tongue. Nice. You better try that too as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that before I even start back on my shake. I'm gonna put it in the fridge until I finish. Alright guys, so come back. Cut up my ginger. So that's a mountain ginger in it. So yes guys, I'm gonna blend this now and come right back, alright? So blender, just throw the pan in there. Get this passion fruity taste, you know? Nice. Yeah, I love it this way. This is how I make my mango juice. Sometimes I will make it with carrot and mango. You know, anything you like. Or cucumber. It's all up to you. To each his own. Depends on what you want in your hands. You know, it's fruit juice. So yes, guys. Thumbs up. Really tastes good. So, like I said, to each his own, depends on what you want in your hands. There's no right or wrong way to make it. It's all up to your taste and your favor. So, yeah. So yes, guys. Not more for the rest of the day, the rest of the evening. More than just lie down, relax, watch TV. Drink my smoothie. Yeah, until Pele come home and start mess with my nerves. So that's it for me. Another day. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Like hearing from you guys. Don't forget to comment, right? So bye.